The cycle section of activities is also quite straightforward. It allows you to simply state how often an activity takes place. This is particularly useful for all those regular things that happen in your school. Navigate to Activities and then Activities Setup. Click on Cycles. You'll notice that there are two sections, Built-in Cycles and Custom Cycles. Let's take a look at Built-in Cycles first. Here you can see what periods have been specified. They look simple, but you can also edit them to add further detail. They all follow the same pattern of editing. Let's take a look at the seasonal cycle. Overall, there's summer and winter, but let's see what else we can do. You can make some simple name changes and also set the current active instance of the season. Down in the lower section, you can then create specific cycle instances. This may be useful if you have regular seasonally based activities. Sports activities usually fall into this category, but it will depend entirely on how your school works, of course. Note that the name of the cycle is different to the display name. Custom cycles are basically the same as built-in cycles, but as the name suggests, you can create these yourself to suit local needs. Let's take a look inside the biannual cycle. Editing a custom cycle is almost identical to editing a built-in cycle, except for this bit here. Notice that you can create your own periods within a built-in cycle. This is helpful if you have many different activities, or simply just very specific needs for activity cycles. Once again, the lists of cycles and periods could be quite large for your school. You may wish to consider starting with a small and simple setup and growing with time as the need arises.